The Bible says, let your word be what? Seasoned with salt. Let your information be seasoned with salt. Hallelujah. That it will minister grace to who?
To the hearers.
Bless you, Mama.
Hallelujah. Nice one.
The word you speak must minister grace to me.
Yes, sir.
How will I offend you? How will you offend me? When we are all waiting on God to speak as God's oracle. I said it in another subject. You speak as God's oracle. Nobody will say that your word is so irritating. Because you speak on behalf of God.
Amen.
When you speak is deliverance.
Yes.
When you speak is settlement. When you speak is direction. You don't speak to confuse people about another person, about the